Welcome back. This is Panda-Frog, and I have my little Waterbury 38mm, so about 1.5 inch wide all brass lock. On the back it's US set. We got YP stamped in here, and it's a 5-pin lock. The core is in here, a little loose. I guess if you remove this little pin over here, we could get the core out, but I don't wanna ruin the lock, so yeah, we don't do it. So let's pick this Waterbury. I don't have a key, it's too bad, but let's see. Let's rake it. Nothing is preset. Perfect. Or zip it in this case. Just have a little tensioner here, and I'm using my pink custom-made pick. Click out of 1, 2, 3, no 4. And open. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? So, with this straightforward pick, well, it will be a short video today. So, Waterbury US set, YP stamped, picked for you in like a 2-minute video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.